Hello, everyone, and welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. I'm so happy that you're here today, and I'm even more happy because I'm making my favorite dessert in the whole wide world, cheesecake. God knows I have a lot of favorite desserts, but today it's cheesecake, or this week I should say it's cheesecake. If you've seen this channel, I go through phases. So before I was hooked on phonics on key lime, not key lime pie, on pecan pie. And right now I'm all about cheesecake. And so if you're interested in seeing this cheesecake recipe, then stay tuned. So it is mango season in my neck of the woods. And so for the past, I'd say the past month or so, I have been doing all kinds of different recipes with mango. I I did a mango chutney, which I didn't film. It wasn't here. It was not on the channel because I was in my move process and I was trying to figure out how I would be recording and uploading, so I did not make the mango chutney video. So that means I'll have to make it at some point. And then I went from mango chutney and I did a recipe with panna cotta with mangoes, and that turned out wonderful and delicious. Again, didn't um, record that one. And so now we've moved on to cheesecake. And this cheesecake is a mango cheesecake. And so you're going to see everything that I do. It is super simple. And if you wanted to leave out the mango, that's fine. You can do the recipe just as it is, and it'll just give you a nice, beautiful cheesecake. But because I have so many mangoes on hand, I literally have to do something with them. So this is a mango cheesecake recipe. And let's get into it right now.